Good morning students. Under the topic import procedure and documentation, today we will discuss import of store. Stores has been defined under section 2 subsection 38 of the Customs Act as goods for use in a vessel or aircraft and includes diesel and spare parts and other articles of equipment whether or not they are required for immediate fitting. So these are basically referring to the spare parts which are to be used in ships and vessels. Next we have uses of store. Stores can remain on board of vessel or aircraft while in India. Imported stores can be transferred to another vessel or aircraft with permission of customs officer without payment of duty if the vessel is a foreign going vessel. Next we have warehouse stores. The stores from the warehouse can be taken back to foreign going vessel without payment of duty. For this, shipping bill has to be submitted. Stores for home consumption can be removed only after payment of duty. For this, bill of entry, which we have already discussed in our previous video, has to be submitted. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इम्पोर्टेड स्टोर्स. इसमें फर्स्ट केस हम लेते हैं इम्पोर्ट ड्यूटी पेड स्टोर्स सप्लाइड टू फॉरेन गोइंग वेसल. इन दिस केस 98% ऑफ द ड्यूटी पेड विल बी प्रोवाइडेड एज ड्यूटी ड्रॉबैक. In case of fuel or lubricant oil, 100% of the duty paid will be allowed as duty drawback. Supply of imported stores to Indian Navy or Coast Guard organization are exempt from customs duty. So this is all about import of stores. Thank you.